Okay, this is the audio for your lesson 2 and 3 learning check. Number 1, which table represents the set of ordered pairs below? Number 2, use the vertical line test to determine which graph is a function. Which graph represents a function of x? Number 3, true or false? The ordered pairs plotted on the coordinate grid represent a function. Number 4, true or false? The mapping below represents a function. Number 5, which statement below is true about the relation shown in the table? Your first choice is, the relation is a function because the input values all go to different output values. Your second option, the relation is not a function because at least one input value goes to more than one output value. Your third choice, the relation is not a function because all the output values are different. Your last choice, the relation is a function because all the output values are different. Number 6, a function of x consists of 5 ordered pairs of the form xy. 4 of the ordered pairs are shown below. Which could be the 5th ordered pair of the function? Number 7, which table represents the ordered pairs plotted on the coordinate grid? Number 8, which ordered pair could be added to the table so that the table represents a function? All right, and that is it.